Okay, our next step is to remove toothed belt guard behind vibration dampers. It was this guy, it looks like it's plastic. And 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. We have 10 millimeter here somewhere right there. Maybe 11? No, maybe 11 actually. No, 10. 10 is correct. Just do screws. Take these guys out. Okay, and you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put these screws back here so that I don't lose them. Well, I could have put them in a bag, but that's too much trouble, so I'm just going to put them back here because I can. So that's off. And the next step is to mark the direction of rotation of the toothed belt with chalk or felt pen before removing. That's all great, but how do I know which direction it rotates? I have no idea. A used belt can break if it rotates in the wrong direction when reinstalled. I see, well, that would be bad. And this is a brand new belt, so probably doesn't matter. But there are no, there are no little errors. So what I'm going to do is mark the direction going to the driver's side. So even if it doesn't rotate that way, at least I know I can install the belt that way. I know that that arrow will mean towards the driver's side, and that's the way it needs to be. So let's find our marker. Paint tip marker, bought specifically for this purpose. Which doesn't write at all. Come on. Oh, there you go. I should make an arrow, shouldn't I? There, I made an arrow. A pretty nice one, if I say so myself. I'd make another one. No particular reason, because I feel like I'm going to make one. Several. What the heck? I'm getting good at this. Yippee. So, driver's side. I'm going to say DS there. So that is the driver's side, right? The FTS, sir. DS. DS. I guess I should know, although I don't, which direction this thing goes. At some point I have no doubt that I'll need to figure this out. So now it says, the toothed belt tensioning element is oil damped and can therefore only be compressed slowly by applying constant pressure. And they're talking about applying constant pressure to this guy here. Using a hex key, turn tooth belt tensioner clockwise 8 millimeters in direction of arrow. Arrow. There is no arrow. Oh, there it is. So this way. So turn it that way. Although that's not, they mean to put it in here. So. And until tensioning lever 2 which is this guy, compresses tensioning element 3, I believe that's this fellow, yep, sufficiently to enable a 2 millimeter diameter spring pin to be installed in the drilling and in the plunger. So somewhere we are going to be able to install some kind of a pin. I'll have to figure this one out. So let's find out what the hex key size is. This looks too large. No, that's the right size. And they're saying apply constant pressure. Yeah. Huh. Okay. Slowly, yes, it is in fact depressing. Very depressing. And they're talking about I'm not sure what they mean. I think that's as far as it'll go. This guy's not loose, I could take him off, but they want me to hold it here somehow. Some 2 millimeter spring pin. Okay, this is gonna go back. We'll look at this manual again. Ah, I see. I see there's a spring pin. I'll have to look at this carefully.